No, Skull is taller.
What?
Skull is taller. Okay, guys, today we're going to show you how to get the crawling trap. I'm almost.
No, Bob.
No.
Why did you say no?
I'm not robot.
Why did you say no? Why?
Isn't that a good thing?
No, it's not a good thing. It's one of the worst things that happened to my life. You say no.
Sean, run away. I give you an offering. Where's Red Key? Oh, there. Guys, we don't need to escape for this. Right?
Yeah.
We need to click all the eyes. Did you just kill Pony?
No, I did.
There is one here. And where's the one in the mines? I forgot. And there is one somewhere in this cave. Sean, where's the one in the maze? I don't know where it is.
Oh, wait, let me go there.
If you can't tell already, we're beginners.
One behind here. One there. No, my trap! No!
No. No, I'm cornered. Get juked. No. No.
Run.
No. Oh, there, I see it.
At least he dragged you there.
There's one that was there, but I clicked it.
And I think that's no.
There's one on the bench. There's
But you got all of them?
one here. I don't think so. I've gotten 3. We need 5. There's one near the docks. Or near spawn, if I remember. I got 4.
Nice. Now you need a last one.
Where is it?
Do you remember?
No.
I don't remember.
I don't remember. Fuck! Is that yours?
Yeah.
Where is it?
Come on, Pep. That one's mine.
Isn't there one? Oh no. Oh no. Sean, run. Run.
Run, dun, 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 dun.
Run. There's one in these stairways, right? There's one in here.
Oh yeah, I remember now. After you said it. Move.
Is it there?
No, move. Move. It's not there.
Okay.
It's here.
It's there?
The eye.
I
Yeah.
don't see it.
Look at the side of the bench.
Oh. I clicked
Now
it.
you go to the farm.
Which stair did
I'm
you
gonna
use?
check on him. I'm gonna check on the one your pet.
Is it
The one
even
you have to
there?
put in the
Is
pocket.
that yours? Did you spawn one?
No.
Alright,
So that might be.
let's go, my little
I-
friend. Stop sniffing benches, you gay bear. Hello? It's kinda slow. Sean, move. That's how we get the crawling trap, guys. You don't need to escape. Kill me.
No! Let him get you and let him drag onto you.
I'm coming. I'm Piggy in reverse. Be like, I'm coming for you. Get over here.
Wait, just go there.
No.
Yeah.
Next time we'll try and get Mrs. P. If my friend wants to play, because he doesn't want to play.
What do you mean?
I'm talking about Wilson.
Oh,
Here
okay.
is what it looks like. It's deposing right now. It's 9 energy.
Hey, Dad.
Yeah.
I want to escape on something in book 2.
Okay. I have to take a bath though.
Oh, okay. I'll just escape in book 1.
Okay. Bye guys. And like and
See
subscribe.
you next time.
Like and subscribe.